Poor ventilation, lack of sunlight, and monsoon are major factors contributing to increase in humidity, which results in proliferation of microbes causing suffocation and inconvenience to the occupants.
Shark in this model is offering a dehumidifying function plus an air purification function with HEPA and carbon filter and the plasma cluster technology, which is an active purification system. So this is a product which can be used throughout the year for each and every season in any part of India. This can take up to 16 liter of water per day. So ideally, this would be suitable for a 230 to 240 square feet room space. The air purification part consists of the plasma cluster, and it also includes the carbon filter and HEPA filter. The HEPA filter which is offered with this is a true HEPA filter. Now, if we come to the modes, air purifying is standard with plasma cluster combined. So you can choose your options between air purifying plus laundry, which is currently now. Laundry function means that during monsoon, when the clothes doesn't dry properly, you can put it in the laundry mode. It works in tandem with the plasma cluster, which can get rid of the smell as well as the mold from the clothes. You can change it to dehumidifying option also. So air purifier plus dehumidifier plus plasma cluster. This is the ideal combination which should work during monsoon time. And if you don't want dehumidification function other than monsoon, then you can either put it in deodorizing mode or you can put it in standard air purification mode. You can adjust the fan speed depending on the room size. If your room size is about 250 square feet, ideally you should keep it at high fan speed. If it is less than that, accordingly you can adjust. Timer would not be recommended for India because we want your air purifier to run at least for 16 to 17 hours a day. You can adjust the vertical swing depending on the kind of airflow that you require. This vertical swing option will come only when you select either laundry or dehumidifying and deodorize function. It also has a water tank. Once the water tank is full, it will show you an indication here. That time you have to remove the water and place it back. So it displays the current humidity. The comfortable humidity range is about 45 to 55%, and it also has a odor sensor.